Hey everyone, it's Jasmine and welcome to Endless Beauty. It's my beauty channel, fashion channel. I make tons of videos. The way annoying. We're back. Stop yelling! So today we're just playing with makeup, super casual, just fun video, talk through. I bought a bunch of new stuff and I just put it on my face and played with makeup. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. It really helps out my channel to grow. I'm a little bit low on energy just because I just finished doing a cleanse. So if you know me, I mean, I'm usually not all over the place, but today I'm just very serene. I bought new makeup. I bought the new Fenty Beauty collection. I got a new foundation, new eyeliner. I bought this Arganwear Physicians Formula oil. It has a lot of glitter in it. Not 100% sure on all the ingredients because they didn't really come with the ingredients, but it looks pretty. It looks good. I tried it actually yesterday and it made my skin really dewy the whole day. And I bought two new foundations. I bought the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. It's supposed to be a foundation and concealer in one. I got the color Amber, which is number 11, just because it might be a little bit dark on me, but I bought it because it's the summertime and it's a little bit more full coverage. I also got this NYX, the NYX Control Drops foundation color thing. I heard a lot about this. I know I'm late to all the bandwagons. I always buy things like 5 years after the hype is over, but I don't care. Like, and this, the Milani foundation is really thick. Oh, I think it might actually be a really good match for me. Doesn't look that bad. Let me put a little bit of the drops just right here where I'm a little bit more tanner natural. That actually looks really nice. It doesn't look like it's too full coverage. The Fenty stick in the color Wheat, and I'm gonna conceal. I got this like in September and it's almost been like 9 months. Yeah, about 9 months. And I'm like nowhere near finishing. Like, this is all that's left. And you would think that's so little and that's gonna run away really or that you're gonna go through it really fast, but it actually lasts a really long time. Now I'm gonna take my Becca, what's it called? Soft Light Blurring Powder in the Golden Hour. This isn't the hydrating, like, wet powder that everyone's been talking about. That's sold out. I got this like in March and I really like it as well. N110, I'm just gonna use that to give me a little bit more definition, but not. All right, now I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I got this Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil, but it's retractable because I hate sharpening things, and it's pretty much an eyebrow pomade in pencil form, and comes out like this. It's a little bit slanted, and I tried it yesterday. I did like it. It was easy, and it comes with a spoolie on the other end, so it's super fast and just easy, and this is gonna last me a long time, which is perfect, and I love. But yesterday when I tried it on, I forgot that I was wearing makeup because I usually don't wear makeup on an everyday basis, and I was scratching my eyebrows and I was like, fuck, because I had the eyebrow pencil on, and I noticed that it came out really easy. So this does not last that long, and if you touch your eyebrows, it's gonna come off really easy. So that's the finished result in like 1 minute. And you could just see that it's a little bit darker, a little bit more defined. The spaces are filled in. We can move on to the other fun stuff, which is eyes and the Fenty stuff. But I wanted to mention that I got these eye brushes also when I went shopping. Oh, I always look for affordable brushes because Sephora brushes are so expensive, and even though they do last a long time and they're good quality, you know, sometimes you don't want to spend $20, $30 on one brush. This I found at Walmart from e.l.f. It's an eyebrow brush with a angled eyeliner brush, and it has the spoolie at the end, and it's a clear packaging, their new packaging for their brushes. And I wanted to get the white brushes so badly with the same packaging, but I have so many face brushes, so I was like, no. I got 3 brushes from Morphe. I went to Ulta and I forgot that Morphe was at Ulta now. So when I saw the eye brushes, I knew I had to get them because I always need new crease. Enough with the talking. Now let's get into the beach, please. So I got the Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset, I believe. Yeah, beautiful. And from what I've been seeing on Instagram, they build up so nicely. And then I got the Sandcastle and the Minted Mimosa because it's just so pretty. It's so pretty. This color is a beautiful highlight, and it looks silver and white, but it's actually like a bronze, cool, silvery color. It's different. It's very, very different. And then this color is so different as well. Some of the matte colors from my Tarte lip palette, this eyeshadow brush. It makes the crease look so nice. This is an M441. Fits my crease so nicely. Minted Mimosa, and I just want to put it all over my lid. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So you can see it when I open my eyes. Because why not? I have this Urban Decay glitter liquid eyeshadow eyeliner, and I just want to put it on my crease to kind of separate. Time for eyeliner. So I have 2 new eyeliners. I have the Milani Stay Put Matte, which looks like these. And then I have the Wet n Wild H2O Proof. So both of them are like supposed to be long lasting felt tip black eyeliners, and I just wanted a black eyeliner. That's why I bought them, and I couldn't make up my mind. All right, that's it. That's all I'm gonna do. I don't want to keep making it thicker and crazier. Now I'm gonna do the Wet n Wild H2O on the other side. But very, 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 very stiff, very short, very, very pointy as well though. Dries up a lot faster, I think. All right, for some reason I feel like it was easier to do it with the Wet n Wild one, which is like the cheapest one. I don't know, do they look any different, guys? Milani Wet n Wild. Now I don't know if I should do this, but I really want to use the blush, but I feel like the pink blush won't really match with this bluish look, but I really want to use it. So I'm gonna take the Sangria and try to use it as blush, but you can also use this as eyeshadow and everything. All right, and now I'm gonna put on Sandcastle as a highlight again because it's so pretty. I'm just gonna connect it with my brow bone. I bought these 2 from Wet n Wild, and I do like this formula. It's called The Shade is Teal, and this is a metallic purple from Milani. It's called Raving Matte. And then I bought, I actually bought this soft matte lip cream in London. I've had it before, but someone stole it from my room. I bet it was one of my sisters, and never returned it, even though I tried to look for it. And I remember I really, really like this brown. It's really pretty. And I also got an intense buttercream from NYX because I remember I just love how this makes my lips feel. They're so good, so just amazing and really powerful. It's a little bit light, but with the lip liner it looks amazing, and it's in the color Cookie Butter. But then I also have the Fenty Summer Days collection. I have the bilingual, I have the Ready to Mingle, which is this purple one. This one's very, very frosty, like very, very peachy, goldeny. And this one's like a purple pink, and this one is the blue Single. I think I want to do Single just because it goes with the eyes. I remember I put this on my lips when I was at Sephora with my friend Genesis, and she's like, you look like you have a disease. She just doesn't understand. She doesn't understand. I feel like these, they're pigmented, but as soon as you start blending them, they get really, really sheer. All right, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? It's like fun. It's fun. I want to see what would happen if I put some brown on the outside. This Taurus color. That actually looks really pretty with the brown. Mommy, stop yelling! Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Hope that you liked it. It's fun, it's colorful. I like it. I love makeup. I just like playing with makeup. Yeah. Alright, I'm done. Bye.